The salty coffee. He met her at a party. She was so outstanding. Many guys chasing after her, while he was so normal, nobody paid attention to him. At the end of the party, he invited her to have a coffee with him. She was surprised, but due to be polite, she promised. They sat in a nice coffee shop. He was too nervous to say anything. She felt uncomfortable, and she thought to herself, "Please, let me go home." Suddenly he asked the waiter, "Would you please give me some salt? I'd like to put it in my coffee." Everybody stared at him so strange. His face turned red, but still he put the salt in his coffee and drank it. She asked him curiously, "Why do you have this hobby?" He replied, "Well, when I was a little boy, I lived near the sea. I loved playing in the sea. I could feel the taste of the sea on my tongue, just like the taste of the salty coffee. Now every time I have the salty coffee, I always think of my childhood, thinking of my hometown. I miss my hometown so much, by the way. I miss my parents who are still living there." While saying that, tears filled his eyes. He was deeply touched. So was she. That's his true feeling from the bottom of his heart. A man who can tell out his homesickness. He must be a man who really loves home, cares about home, has responsibilities for home, she thought. Then she also started to talk about her faraway hometown, her childhood, and her family, who still lives in her faraway hometown. That was a really nice talk, also a beautiful beginning of their story. They continued to date. She found out that actually he was a man who meets all her demands. He had tolerance, he was kind-hearted, he was warm, he was careful and caring. He was such a good person, but she almost missed him, thanks to salty coffee. Then, the story was just like everybody beautiful love story. The princess married to the prince, and they were living happily ever after. And every time she made coffee for him, she put some salt in the coffee, as she knew that's the way he liked it. After 40 years, the man passed away. He left her a letter, which said, "My dearest, please forgive me. Forgive me my whole life's lie. This was the only lie I told you. The salty coffee. Remember the first time we dated? It was so nervous that time. Actually, I wanted some sugar, but I said salt because of my nervosity. It was hard for me to change, so I just went ahead. I never thought that could be the start of our communication. I tried to tell you the truth many times in my life, but I was too afraid to do that, as I have promised not to lie to you for everything. Now I'm dying. Well, I think I'm already dead now when you're reading this. I'm afraid of nothing, so I tell you the truth. I don't like the salty coffee. What a strange bad taste, I mean. Who drinks salty coffee? But I have had the salty coffee for my whole life, since I knew you. I never feel sorry for anything I do for you. Having you with me is the biggest happiness for my whole life. If I can live for the second time, still want to know you and have you for my whole life, even though I have to drink the salty coffee again all the time. Your dearest darling." Her tears made the letter totally red. Someday someone asked her, "What's the taste of salty coffee?" She replied, "It's sweet."